Understanding quadrilateral. This is the first topic is polygon. Polygons. The polygons. What is the polygons? A polygons, a simple closed curve. Simple closed curve made by a simple closed curve made by made up of only line segment. Okay, a simple closed curve made up of only a line segment is called polygons. Okay, that polygons of which type of diagram of polygon and which type of diagram are which type of curve. The curve means you have by the pencil you draw any line. This is the curve. Okay, and two types of curve previous class you study only they is and the two diagram. This is the curve and this is the not a this is also curve, but this is the closed curve and this is the open curve. The ending point are not joined, it's the open curve. And here is topic is polygon, the simple closed curve made by a line segment. This is the polygon. This is the diagram is polygon. Okay, and this is polygon, and this type of diagram is not polygon because the starting point and ending point is not joining. The starting point, ending point all joined, it is called the polygon. Okay, and in your book is name of the polygon. The name of the polygon is this side is number of side. This side is number of side. This is a simple closed curve. How a minimum required 3 sides because one side is not a closed curve, second side is not a closed curve, and third will join the point. First and last is the closed curve. So this is the minimum 3 side will require a one closed curve. It's called the triangle. It's called the triangle because its the number of side is 3 and the number of 4 number of side is 4 is called the quadrilateral. Okay, because the number of side is 4 and number of side is 5. 1 2 3 4 5, it's called the pentagon. And number of 6 side there's 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, it's called the hexagon. And this side is not counting in the polygon, it's called the polygon. Okay, this is the definition of polygon, a simple closed curve made up of only line segment. Okay, the line segment minimum 3 line segment make a closed curve, it's the polygon, and it is the name of triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, and 8 side is octagon. Okay, next topic is diagonals. A diagonal is a line segment. It means a diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertex of the polygon. Suppose it is the square is the 4 side polygon. Four side polygon is called the quadrilateral. In the special category, if all sides are equal, it's called the square. But here is only topic is diagonals. Suppose is a A, B, C and D. The line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertex. A, B, C and D is a vertex and two non. A after B is a consecutive and C is non-consecutive for A. So you join the point of A and C. Point at A and C. It means A and C is a diagonal. A and C is a diagonal. And D and B. Yeah, BD is a diagonal. Okay, another diagram. You draw the hexagon. The point of A, B, C, D, E and F. The number of side is 6. His name is a. This polygon is hexagon. Now join first A, B is a consecutive and C. You join the AC, BD, CE, DF and AE. It means that AC, BD, CE, AE and FD 1 and another. This is the diagonals of polygon A, B, C, D, E, F, G is a hexagon. In a triangle, a three side of A, B, C. So this is the no any diagonals is that number of diagonal in triangle is 0. Okay, the convex. This type of diagram of convex and the diagrams are convex. But the difference, you show that in any geometrical diagrams, two parts. First will be interior parts and second is a exterior parts. In any diagrams, inside diagrams is interiors and outside is a exterior part. Okay, the interior part of diagrams is the angle of all angle is less than 180. Okay, in all angles is less than 180, it's called the convex polygon. And concave is any one angle which is greater than 180. Is the less than 90, less than 180, less than 180, less than 180, but this angle is greater than 180. In second it's his diagram, less than 180, less than 180, less than 180, this is less than 180 and this angle is greater than 180. It's called the concaves. Here less than 180, less than 180, less than 180, his angle of less than 180, this angle is less than 180, this angle is less than 180, but this angle is greater than 180. Its type of diagrams, its type of polygon is called convex, and all angles with less than 180, it's convex polygon. A regular and irregular polygon. Which type of polygon is regular and which type of polygon is irregular? The regular polygon, you show that some diagrams. Okay, okay, first discuss the first regular polygon. Is regular polygon in the all sides are equal and all angles are equal. In this polygon, is all sides are equal and all angles are equal. There is the which type of a triangle is a isosceles triangle, and second is the square is all angles is 90 is equal and all sides are equal. This type of diagrams, this type of polygon is called the regular polygon. Here is a first triangle, first is a quadrilateral is called the square. Rectangle is the all angles are equal, all angles are 90, but the sides are not equal. It's called the irregular polygon. Similarly to angle, this angle and this angle are equal, this angle and this angle are equal, okay, but all angles are not equal and sides are not equal. It's called the irregular polygon, and all angles and sides are equal in regular polygon. Okay, as you read, angle sum property is angle of some property in a triangle. Suppose is angle A, is angle B and angle C. The sum of all angles in triangle is 180. It is the angle sum property. Angle sum property is all sum of all angles in a triangle. Sum of all angles in the triangle is 180. This is the angle sum property. But how to use in polygon? Polygon is suppose is a triangle, so okay, that is the second is square, that the square is ABC. It's called the quadrilateral because it's a four sides polygon is called the quadrilateral. In divide into two part, this is the first part and second part. Okay, so that angle sum property in triangle ABC, triangle ABC is 180, and triangle BACD is second triangle. In sum of all angles is 180 and 180 is equal to 360. It's mean the sum of all angle in quadrilateral is 360. Okay, in second example we write the pentagon. Yes, sextagon is the six side. Is a six side called the which type of polygon? Is six side polygon is hexagon. Here divide two into three parts, will give the name A, B, C, D, E and F. Join the point of A and C, A and D and A, E. The fourth 1, 2 triangle, 3 triangle and 4 triangle. Okay, using the angle sum property, the sum of using angle sum property in triangle 1 is sum of is 180, angle 2 triangle 2 is 180 and triangle 3 is also 180 and triangle 4 is 180, and sum of all angles is how much? 180, 180, 180 and 180, 4 times of 180 and 2, 3 carry and 7. It's mean the sum of all angles is hexagon is 720. Similarly to 5 in triangle is 3 triangles 1, 2 and 3. So 3 times 180, 180 into 3 is equal to 540. The sum of all angles in pentagon. So 5 side of polygon polygon in name of pentagon is sum of the all angles is pentagon is 540. Okay, now introduction is finished, then start the exercise. First question, give here are some figures. The figures is numbers will given the 1 2 3 4 5, the number is 6, the 7, the number is 8, and classify each of them on the base of the followings. The simple curve, which curve you make a simple hand by the simple curve is 1 2 3 4 is a difficult, 5 6 and 7. Simple closed curve is first. Okay, simple closed curve is first because they are simple closed curve. Second, third is not simple, fourth is not simple, that 5 is simple closed curve, it is 6 and 7 is a simple closed curve. Is a polygon is a closed curve made by the line segment. So this is the first, second and fourth, because third, fifth, sixth, 7 and 8 is not made by the line segment. And convex is convex and concave. Convex angle is each angle is interior angle is less than 180. Less than 180 is here is less than 180, less than 180, less than 180, less than 180, but here is a not a 180, is only 2 is a convex polygon, and remaining is first and polygon 1 2 4. The second is convex and third, fourth and first and fourth is a concave polygon. Question number second, how many diagonals does each of the followings? Here three questions. First is a convex quadrilateral, second is a regular hexagon, and C is a triangle. Okay, so first we will draw a diagram of convex quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral means a four-side polygon. Four-side polygon the convex means all angle of A, angle of B, angle of C and angle of D is less than 180, and diagonals will join the 2 points, two non-consecutive point of A to B and B to C. So that consecutive point to A, B to join the AC and second B join the BD. So the diagonals is first is AB, AAC and second is BD. There are how many is there? Two diagonals, AC and BD. Second is regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means you draw the hexagon. Hexagon is a 6 side of the polygon. Is a 6 side is a polygon. All sides are equal. Okay, all angles will be equal. So you have okay. Now join the diagonals. First you give in the name A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, and draw the diagonals. First we will join to A to C. You write AC. Okay, that's the answer. Second we will join the BD. Third we will join the CE and fourth is FE fourth will be D, F, DF, and last will be EA. So total diagonals is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that is 6 diagonals. Okay, and last will be triangle. This triangle is a triangle. A triangle has no diagonals. Okay, there are 6 diagonals in hexagon and 2 diagonals in a regular quadrilaters. What is the sum of the measuring the angle of convex quadrilateral? Will this property hold in a quadrilateral? It is not convex. This property which is the property, the angle sum property, will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? So you draw the diagram of non-convex quadrilateral. Non-convex quadrilateral is this type of diagram of non-consecutive, because is the angle of this angle is greater than 180. This is the quadrilateral of a polygon. Its polygon is ABCD and join the line of AC. Okay, now let ABCD is concave polygon. Okay, and AC is diagonal. Okay, in angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to is triangle ABC plus triangle ACD. Okay, given the name 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Here write the in angle ABC is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. In triangle ABC plus 4 plus 5 plus C in triangle ACD, and ACD is 180 plus 180 because this is the angle sum property. Angle sum property is the 360. Okay, it's mean sum of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 360. Okay, and ABCD is non-convex. This type of ABCD is non-convex polygon. Okay. Okay, now question number 4 is experiment to the table. Is given the table, and each figure will be divided into triangle, and some of the triangles are divided from that. The table is given that according to table you find the what can you say that about the angle sum of the convex polygon with the number of side. You find the after fill the table, you understand this table, then you find the how the angle sum of the convex polygon is number of side. You have find the sum of angle sum of convex polygon with help of number of side. So that first is a triangle. Triangle is a 3. Okay, 3. The sum of angles is 180. Okay, so 180 you write 1 into 180. No problem. There are two triangles. Two triangles means 2 into 180. Okay, 2 into 180. Here is how many triangles? 3 triangles. The 3 into 180. Here is hexagon into divided by how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the 4 into 180. Okay. Now here you write this, the 1 is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 into 180. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 3 is a number of side. You write the 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 into 180. 4 minus 2 is 2. Here the number of side is 5 into 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3 into 180. And next is 6 minus 2 into 180. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, and 6 is a number of side. Its 180 is a constant to multiply a number of side is 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that is formula is common formula is angle sum of convex polygon. Angle sum of polygon is number of side minus 2. 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 Number of side minus 2 into 180. It is the common formula of find the sum of the convex angle sum of convex polygon. Now you find the first is a 7. So this is the number of side is 7. So that sum of angle is equal to n is 7. The number of side is 7 minus 2 into 180 is equal to 5 into 180. 5 into 180 is equal to 5 into 180 is equal to 5 is equal to 900. Okay, then B is number of side is 8. So sum of angle is number of side is 8 minus 2 into 180 is equal to 6 into 180. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. It's equal to 1080. Take the sum. Okay, now C is number of side is 10. Number of side is 10 is sum of angle. Number of side is 10 minus 2 into 180 is equal to 8 into 180. 8 into 180 is equal to 1. Okay, and finally that the number of side is n. That number of side is n, that the finally is a formula described. Number of side is n. Number of side is n. The sum of all angle in polygon is equal to n minus 2 is 180. N minus 2 is 180. Okay, so this is the formula of number of side and sum of the all angle is polygon. You find that according to number of side is n, that 7 minus 2, 8 minus 2, 10 minus 2, we have 7, 8, 10 is a number of side. Okay.
Peace.